Let it spin. Here, let it spin.
Anyone find the way back to the park? Well, I hate to say it, but in order to survive, we may have to eat each other.
Get it.